This is a demonstration of S-band patch antenna and SDR-based communication system. Over here, the Celestial's two S-band patch antennas are integrated to a lunar lander, and the communication system has been integrated towards the inside of the lander. This is a lander system which will be here demonstrated for remote configurations based on the commands sent from the ground station. This is the ground station setup. Over here, the commands will be transmitted and the signals will be received. To visualize, we will share the screen of the ground station here. On the left hand side is the pink area, which is with the console with the graphical user interface. This is the ground station setup. The two top options are for frequency changes, which is 2360 and 2361 megahertz. The bottom two are modulation schemes, BPSK and QPSK. We can select either one of it based on the configurations. There is TX and RX button for transmission and reception. The white area is for the writing the command and transmitting it. On the right hand side is the projection of the lander system, and this is where we will visualize how lander reacts to the commands and the signal which is received. So right now there is a haziness, which is basically the noise. Command 2 has been transmitted. TX button has been pressed on the ground station side, and you will see the signal will be transmitted. The signal is being transmitted at 2360 megahertz of frequency, and we see 4 dots, which means QPPSK modulation scheme has been transmitted. Now, based on the command 2, the system on the lunar lander is being reconfiguring itself, and now it will transmit the signal based on the command of 2, which is now reconfigured at frequency. So 2361 megahertz of frequency is being transmitted back, and we see 4 dots, so BPSK. Hence, we were able to reconfigure the frequency in this command. Now this is another command where command number 3 will be transmitted. Here we will has been transmitted, and we will see these 4 dots again. QPPSK and 2361 megahertz is a frequency. Now you see on the left hand side both modulation schemes and frequencies were changed, and we are setting this ground station to receive command because both of these variables of the communication are changed. Hence we see 2 dots now, which means BPSK modulation scheme is updated, and we are receiving the signal at 2360 megahertz, so frequency also regulated. Hence in one command we were able to regulate more than 2 communication features of the system.